Today we arrived in EnNing Road. This is a very famous pedestrian street in Guangzhou, and we can see the arcade buildings, the traditional workshops, and some tan honest restaurants here. Now let's go. 揀個餅食先。點樣夾啊，靚女？紅豆有冇？紅豆酥要一個試下得。低糖嘅豆沙酥。And let's try this pastry, the Cantonese pastry. The cream is very crisp, and the filling is a little sweet. I think it's okay, but not very delicious, not very sweet, but it's okay. 我覺得其實呢個嘢真係都可以嘅，佢低糖啊，低糖豆沙做。不過佢8蚊一個有啲貴。咁垃圾桶喺呢度。And this is the birthplace of the Cantonese opera. Very historical. 要個桃紅豆啊，靚女。
邊個桃紅豆？
啊，係。
打包食而家食啊？
而家食。
好似福品啊！
唔該。This is another kind of pastry. Very cute, tender, smooth. Oh. This is the copper workshop, and the master is forging the coppers in front of the gate. 呢個點賣啊？100蚊隻。100蚊隻。呢啲係咩銅啊？紫銅。紫銅哦。呢啲係黃銅係咪？係。呢啲平啲嘛？呢嘢83蚊。83，佢再貴啲啊？唔該。And the head of us is the intangible cultural heritage area. And here we can see the Southern Lions. Yeah. Some Cantonese porcelain. And some souvenirs. That's a very interesting ice creams. The black sesame tofu. And you can buy some gift for your friends. There's many pastries and desserts shop here. And this is one of the very famous Cantonese dessert restaurants. Let's go inside and have a try. 好，謝謝。哇，呢個薑醬奶整得麻麻地嘅喎。This is the ginger milk, one of my most favorite Cantonese desserts. And he used the hot milk poured into the fresh ginger juice, and after 3 minutes, he will become shortened, just like that. It's a little bit spicy and knows very delicious. This is the Bruce Lee's ancestral house. Bruce Lee, a very famous superstar many years ago. You can see many local foods here. Char siu, chong fen. And if you want to taste the authentic food in Guangzhou, you should know most of the tan honest restaurants are hidden in these kinds of old areas. 一個大碗嘅文春麵，再要一個大碗牛腩粉，上唔到樓。走人走人走。 唔多嘅，冇位喎。樓上冇人俾人㗎，冇位。我得個人坐，因為坐到冇問題啦。我都有人坐啊。哦，咁我坐喺度。慢慢。When you are having the meals here, you just don't expect any good service. And when you are having these wonton noodles, you must add this white pickled radish. It's very good appetizers. You can add some extra flavors of the noodle. And this noodles is very chewy. The sauce is very clear, made with the dry flounders, the dry shrimps, and the pork bones, and some dry scallops. This is the fried dumpling. We'll try it. 好似蛋飯咁我覺得。The dumpling, the skin of the dumpling is really crisp. Delicious.